started.
Wow. Oh, speaker. Ooh.
What's up, vlog? Coming here.
Wait, what is that?
Yeah.
I 1v1 me.
1v1.
Wait, in 1v1? Is that possible?
Yeah, it is, but you give yourself 3 hits.
Yourself?
Yeah. 3 hits to yourself. Oh,
Go.
whoa.
One.
Yeah, I was like, there should be a couples round. Right. Yeah. Oh, the vlog.
All right, back in.
Yeah. All right.
Let's get in.
What?
No, Justin's out.
Oh, okay.
Just 1v1.
That's real, bro. That's a rim job. I low-key heard the rim a little bit. I don't know. I heard the rim, look.
I hit rim. I heard rim.
You didn't hit rim, yeah.
You.
Oh.
I heard rim.
I heard rim. Hi, doggy. Go to Maddie. Oh, it doesn't even like you. Dang, rejected! Rejected by Maddie, that's tough. Okay.
Nope.
That's rim job, bro.
What? Keep the rim unless it stays in the net.
Go.
Oh my god.
Damn it. No, it was good. That's heavy. Okay. Oh, dang. Nah.
Bro, why are you serving from like 7?
Sorry. Doggy! Is this your dog? What's his name? Or her name?
Frank.
Frank?
Frederick.
Frederick. Thank you. Sorry. What the? Sorry. Thank you. Thanks. Okay. All right. Let's say the score is 4-3.
Where's 4?
Us. Dang! I just realized what happened. Oh, thank you, bro. All right, it's tied. Good job. Get that, let's go. Okay. 5-4. 5-4. That's crazy. Kalaticha.
Damn, look at that.
Dang. Dude, they're all trying to body surf that. That's crazy. Okay. We in. I know.
Look at that one. Dude, that's the one. That's perfect right there.
Oh, this guy's going. Oh.
The other guy got
Yeah. Okay, 6-4. 6-4. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Might be, bro. 5-6. Might be. Okay, now it's 6-6.
That would have been good. That would have been good.
Frederick. Oh. Frederick. Yeah, the dog's name. All right, 7-6. Oh. Damn it. No. 7-6. Go. Let's go. All right, 7-7. Let's do game to 11. Okay. Ooh. 8-7. Oh. Let's go. Let's get it. So, oops. 8-8. Nah, dude, you guys are finessers, man. You got it. You got it. Fuck. Sorry. Is it 9-8? Go.
My bad.
The signature. Nine. Is it 9-9 or? I would say 9-9 for shoot. We're tied. All right, 10-9. 1-2. Oh, fuck. No, that's this point, bro. Okay. Yeah. Oh, my back is probably sandy. Yeah, thank you. Oh. Okay. All goody. Was it 11-10 now? I think. You guys are 11.
Oh my god.
All right.
Terrible.
I think that's game. Yeah.
I'm in.
Okay. All right. All right, bet. I'll stay with Dev. 0-0. Oh, he did a screen.
Let's go.
Are you kidding me, bro? I celebrated too early. No. I saw you. All right, 1-0.
Oh shit.
Yeah, like under, bounce.
You.
Yes. What the fuck?
You.
No! I got it. Up. The 2-0?
What are you doing? Buddy?
Frederick's back. He's like, hell no. Dang. Justin finessed it. All right, 3-1.
That count or not?
That was rim, or is your point, I think. 3-1, let's do it. Ooh, might be. 4-1. My bad. Let's go. Yeah, they're massive. All right, 2-3. That's not rim. I think that was good.
That was a little.
I didn't hear no rim.
I didn't hear room.
Yeah, pocket shoot. Okay. 3-4. Yeah. Oh!
I was ready.
4-4. Oh, we got. Damn it! Oh. I know. I know. Is that 5-3? Ooh. Yeah.
What?
No, it's 6-3, I think.
Nice.
Oh, nah, it bounced like this and then you were like that, I think. Yeah. Thank you. 4-6?
Yeah.
You're 6. All right, 5-6. Good.
Oh my God.
I know.
6-6?
Yeah. Oh no, 7-5. 7-5. You guys are 7, I think. Wait. Yeah, go ahead. You get it. Yes! Damn.
Oh. I might get to the motion after this.
That's fair. 6-8? Wait, no.
Nope.
Okay. I think it's 7-7. Oh.
All good.
Hell yeah.
Oh, sorry, get me. Let's fucking go. Whew. 8-7 us. Comeback time.
Again?
That was rim, yeah.
Mess up.
Oh. Patrick.
Following that dog is dead.
All right, I think it's 9-8, you guys. All right, that's 10 though. No, it's 10. You guys are 10, we're 9. 1 point.
You had 8, fool.
Oh yeah, you're right. 9 then. Wait, 8?
Cheating.
But keep counting the score then. Okay, go. That's not room. That's not room. I hear shit.
The loudest shit ever.
That's 10-10. Fuck. Or 9-10. No wait. 10-10. Nice. Let's go.
How greedy is
All right, 11-10. Not bad, sorry, I should have hit it. All right, 11-11, make a wish.
Nice.
Oh,
Sorry. I'll try to cover them. Sorry, okay.
We got one more round.
Oh yeah, 12-11, yeah. All right. But one more possession, just to make it good. Just to make it feel good. Get it. No. Okay.
Wait.
Oh.